How to check your reward points when booking reservations. We only have currently one system that allows you to accumulate reward points, and that's the Red Engine. You click on the Red Engine. Once you're at the Red Engine, it's going to show you at the top how many reward points you have earned. So this particular example, there's 1,454 reward points. Now, if you see where it says my account, that is your account information for this particular engine, not your Hotels Etc. membership card. You can see your previous reservations, you can see your profile, your reward credits, how you earned them, and etc. So the Red Engine is the only one that currently offers reward points, and that is how you check them. To redeem them, you simply go to, for example, let's say you want to redeem them with a hotel. So instead of doing a search for money, you search for reward credits. In real time, it converts it from money to reward credits so you can book using your points. You also have opportunities to use it on gift cards. If you want to redeem your points for gift cards, simply click on gift cards, at which point the list of participating gift cards will show up. It does go a little slow because I am doing recordings, so you got to bear with me. Once the list of gift cards show up, you can select the one that you want to redeem off of. So let's say you want an Amazon gift card. So let's click on purchase. Now, right now I have, as I said, a little over 1,000 points. So let's say if you wanted a $100 gift card, you'll notice you have to have 10,000 points and you'll be able to get a $100 gift card. So in real time, you can get, basically convert your points to cash. This feature is only available in the Red booking engine. Thank you again for joining Hotels Etc. Happy savings.